welcome back to What Karen Loves. So today I thought let's review a skincare product because as you can see my skin is not the best right now. I think it's because allergies and I've been sick lately, so my skin is kind of like whoa. So I've been wanting to try this for a little while now, and I thought why not try it because it sounds really amazing. I mean, Garnier SkinActive is really good anyways, and I've been hearing about this one a lot lately. So I wanted to try it on my skin and see how it works. It can unclog pores and smooth skins. In 1 week, pores are diminished and complexation is clear. I think I said that word right. Sorry if I didn't. But if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, there will be a new blog in the description of this video. So go check it out and check it out for the main channel. And let's get started. I think this would be fun because, you know, I like reviewing products. You guys know that. And I love skincare. And I'm trying to keep cleaning this and, you know, cleaning my face as much as I can to help decrease it. It's somewhat going down a little bit, but it still hurts. So let's do some skincare. All right, first and foremost, we have to all right, we gotta wet our face, so let's go ahead and do that. I put this down here so that way it wouldn't track any of that makeup that's on my table right now because I haven't washed it. All right, I like washing my face with hot water. It's just having them on, so that's what I usually use. Hope you guys can see it. I did check the lighting. It looked pretty good. And like I said, we're just reviewing skincare. It's not like we're doing anything like, you know. I'm thinking about doing a fashion vlog today, so that should be the vlog today. And my hair is not cooperating with me, so I put it up, but it's still coming down. Oh, my bad. Make sure it's nice and wet. Alright. Alright, now we gotta wet our hands. Alright. Yeah. That's what it looks like. You can smell the charcoal, that's for sure. How are you guys doing today on this Saturday? I'll say Friday, and it's not Friday. I hate getting in my under, like my freaking, I can't talk today as you guys can see. Eyebrow, there we go, that's what I was thinking. But I always want to get into my forehead really good. And rub the areas that are affected really good. So I can get real deep up in there. Okay, now my neck. Make sure this is still recording. Yeah, that's good. Look at it. I hope you guys can see. I promise I didn't put stuff on my face. I'm trying to make sure it got like real good on my forehead because that's a bad area where I get stuff too. on my nose for sure. Okay. Alright. Get this back up. It doesn't need to be on much anymore. Okay. Alright. Now we gotta rinse our face, it says. I feel it, you know, like getting deep into my skin. And I can see, you know, it feels like it's like getting deep into your skin, which is amazing. I love when like any skincare feels like it's doing something when you put it on your face. You know what I mean? It feels like it's actually getting into your skin, into your pores, into all that dirt that's in your skin, and like, you know, really getting in there. So I love that feel of it, and I love how it feels like it's really, really into your skin. So that's amazing. All right. That's why I brought a bowl of water with me. That way, just in case I need more. It just says to wash it off, so it don't have to be on there anytime. And usually after I do my skincare, I always moisturize, and I forgot my moisturizer downstairs, so I will be putting that one on. It's Neutrogena sensitive moisturizer. It's the same one y'all see mostly in my videos. That's what I use for my moisturizer. And I'm gonna go over again because I'm sure I probably forgot some areas. Okay, now let's dry my face. It feels amazing. Like, it feels like your skin is, you know, clean though. It feels really good. Alright. So, my overall thoughts is that, you know, it is the first use, obviously, but I do feel clean. My skin feels clean, and it feels like it went into all the pores that I have on my skin right now. It feels like it went into my skin, which I love. Like I already said, I love when skincare feels like it does something immediately, like when you put it on your skin. It feels like it's like getting deep into all those areas that your skin is really needing to be cleaned. So my overall thoughts is that I really like it. I mean, Blackhead's eliminating scrub, and it feels like it's getting real deep in there, and I definitely want to keep using it this week and see how my skin improves by using this. Like I said, it deeply cleans, like it says, and it feels like it jawed out all that dirt that's in my skin right now, and it did smooth my skin, like it says. It really feels like it really did go deep, like it's, you know, like the product says. So I'm really, really happy with it. I mean, it feels really good. I can't wait to keep using it and see the results. And I'll let you guys know how it goes. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a quick little video, but it was fun. I love reviewing things, and I really liked it. So I suggest you go try it if you haven't already. And I'll leave a link to, I guess, this. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out the new blog in the description of this video. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below what you'd like to see soon. And until next time, hope you guys have a great day. That's all. XOXO. Bye.